Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to change a Chevrolet Silverado key fob battery. This is an easy method that will save you a trip to the dealership. You will only need two items, a small flathead screwdriver and one new CR 2032 coin battery. This quick do-it-yourself fix takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish, ensuring your key fob works perfectly every time you need it. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to pull out the emergency key blade, which you can set aside for a moment. Next, look inside the opening where the key blade was. You will see a small notch or slot. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob casing to separate. Now that your key fob is open, you will clearly see the old round battery nestled in its compartment. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently pry the old battery out. It should pop out easily. Before inserting the new battery, pay close attention to how the old one was positioned. Then, take your new CR 2032 coin battery and insert it with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards into the slot. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Once the new battery is in, align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together, working your way around the edges until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it clicks and is fully seated. Now, go ahead and test your key fob to confirm that all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.